Hey everybody, it's Bree Hall and I'm here to do a makeup tutorial with Frankie Rose products for the Riley Rose Homecoming. So I'm using Frankie Rose's Matte Perfection Foundation. With a busy lifestyle, this is full coverage and long lasting. So next we're doing a very important step, which is getting your transition shade. And I like to just start by tapping. Now we're gonna go in and just blend. And I'm going into this darker brown shade, and this time I'm going at a diagonal angle going inward. So now I'm gonna go in with a dark shimmer shade, and again, we're gonna just pat that on. Pat a little bit over the line where those two meet, and you'll see those shades are starting to merge together a little bit. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Just to highlight the brow bone a little bit, I'm using this champagne color. I pat it a little bit and then I sweep from left to right. I'm taking the Frankie Rose eyeliner, and it's a gel eyeliner, so it's gonna be really pigmented. So I make a delicate line and drag that in. All right, now I'm taking the Frankie Rose mascara. I'm going to go in on my bottom lashes and add a little contour, because we want to definitely snatch and pull this look together. This makes the lips look a little bit fuller because it adds that extra shadow, and they're also gonna go on the jawline. When we're dabbing on the jaw, we wanna go kind of in downward motions. So we're gonna pinch our sponge for the nose and go just in the straightest line we can. We're gonna bring that up and down. So I'm gonna go in with the Frankie Rose lip gloss, and I'm actually using two different shades to create a nice gradient on the lips. So first I'm going in with this nice pink mauve color, and this is actually in the shade Pressed Flower. Then we're gonna go in with the lighter shade just in the center of the lip to give it a little bit more of, like I said, that pop. So this is the final look. You can find all the products that I used today on RileyRose.com. Make sure, vote for me and Frankie Rose for the Riley Rose Homecoming.